Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're looking at a Nissan Elgrand, which is a grey import vehicle. On this one here, we're trying something different, and we're basically programming it up using the Xtool. Now this is a new tool that's out there. I mean, it is sold around the world, but what makes this tool actually different is that this one is suited for the Australian market. I believe they're doing it in other countries as well, where you can buy it specific for your country. And what that means is that there's a local person who basically sorts out all the bugs and can give you tech support for it. So this machine, I was looking at it, it's very reasonably priced. There's no tokens, and that's why I was looking at it. And I thought, well, if I can borrow one and try it on a Nissan car, which I'm reasonably familiar with, I can sort of see what it can and can't do. This particular vehicle always gives me the cranks, because you've got to pull the BCM number, and then you've got to pull the dash apart to get to it. So I was wanting to test this machine to see if it can save me the trouble of dismantling the car. If it can save me the trouble of dismantling the car, then I would have been quite happy spending the few $1,000s and buying it, because then it's something that I can use. A lot of the other functions and things, I didn't get a lot of time to actually check them out. One of the reasons this machine, this Xtool, is so good is because it comes with Instacode, which is a subscription, which means this tablet, you have the tablet, you have the ability to program cars, you have Instacode, so you can look up codes rather than carrying around a laptop. On top of that, you also have access to a database which is called SRS, which is from the local distributor in Australia who's distributing this Xtool. And what they've done there is they've put together all the cars and how to program it, and it also has Key DIY app there as well. And all of this information, as you can see right now on the screen, SRS, Key DIY, Instacode, and plus the key programming. So you get all of that in one unit, which is really good. The SRS thing's really good because it tells you how to program the car, what keys you can use, what remotes you can use, aftermarket remotes. So it tells you basically everything from apart from how to pull the lock apart. So I was looking at this machine. I'm basically just going through looking for Nissan at this stage, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to program it. Now I want to just be clear on this. This is the first time I've ever used this machine. I turned it on and just started to use it just like this. Now I did make some mistakes along the way. I'm not familiar with the device, and when I returned it to them, they said, oh, you have to go in under Infinity. I selected Nissan Infinity, so I didn't even check to see if there was more options or more systems underneath Infinity as it is. So just to be fair, with this tool, I haven't given it a good workout. For what I needed it for, you'll see the results for what I was trying to do with it. On saying that too, there's no machine out there that I know of that actually can pull the BCM out of this particular vehicle, but I wanted to give it a try. I've tried the AD tools, I've tried the Lonsdor, I've tried all the ones I can get my hands on. If you do know a device that can pull the BCM number without needing to dismantle it, please let me know. And we have tried that Nissan Super Code Finder, the one that you put from the COM port. You put the code finder, then you plug in your OBD on the back of that. We tried that too. We've tried them all, and all we seem to get is 1212F, which is like just a fail code basically. Anyway, into the video. This is trying to program up I think it's a Type 4 ISO Nissan ID 46 without slot. Smart proximity key without slot, and then we've got to program up the key on top of that. So this is how far we got with this Xtool. I should just push it in. So let's put the transponder up here too. Put it in further. Okay, let's try this another way. Okay, program steering lock. Can we release the steering lock? Let's mark key code in antenna, handbrake, glove compartment switch off. Click the start button. Okay. Will this release the... Why's my screen gone so dark? Failure to communicate. Okay. Let's try another way here. Okay, let's go Nissan. Agree. Program remote. Type 2. Program remote. Failure, so it's not type 2, type 1, program remote, failure, type 1, type 2, not communicating. Why are you not communicating? Read BCM, communication failure. Why? That's plugged in, seems okay. Might tighten these up. Okay, read BCM, failure. Read BCM and release steering lock. Required pin code to complete the following. The pin code can be calculated from the BCM. Press OK to continue. Switch ignition off. Pin code. Okay, we don't have that. We haven't calculated it yet. Pin calculator. I think it's type 2. I don't know which one it is. Mexico. Four, 8, 3, 3, 5. Okay. Wrong input. Cancel. Germany. 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 digits. Y5 in Europe. 6 digits. Cancel. Okay, let's double check. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's definitely a 5-digit one. So it's not working there. Let's try this one. Okay, this looks better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I'm using the wrong ones. Type 1. 4, 8, 3, 3, 5. Okay. Okay, there we go. Got a pin code. Here's my pen. 3839 6433 3. Okay. Back. Program remote. Type 1. Program remote. Failure. Program remote. Type 2. Program remote. Communicating. Race failure. Okay. Back here. Agree. Okay, so we can't program a remote. Let's try this. Steering lock. We have the pin code now. Okay, pin code 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 9, 3839. Okay, failure. Try again. 6, 4, 3, 3. Failure. Okay, so I'm not getting much luck at all with this tool.
Okay, so it's telling us. Okay, so we've got the pin code. Can it read it? Read BCM. Okay, Nissan Infinity. Read BCM. Read BCM. Read BCM. Failure.
So in conclusion, I couldn't program in the key, I couldn't program in the remote, and I couldn't pull the BCM number from this car using this machine. I did complete the car. I used a variety of other machines and checked a few other machines out. So hopefully if those videos turn out, they'll be on after this. This is the printout of the information from the SRS database, which is quite good. We followed it all to the letter. To be fair, it might have been operator error. I might have actually been doing something wrong here. So don't crucify me if I was. And if you've done one of these cars and it's worked with this machine, I did it completely wrong, please leave a comment down below. But for this particular car, I didn't have much luck with this tool. But I am interested to see what other cars can do, and I am interested to get my hands on this tool. And I'll possibly even purchase one and see what else I can do with it. Okay, thanks for watching.